We have seen the Indian Patent Office website and the Indian Patent Office the web document. Now we will see about the European Patent Office websites and European Patent document. First of all, just click on this link. You will be directed to the European Patent Office website, which will look like this. From this part, just click on Open eSpaceNet at EPO, which will direct us to the next page, which will look like this. For patent search activity, just click on Advanced Search button over here. So next you will be directed to the eSpaceNet patent search database like this. From advanced search, as we have seen in Indian Patent Office, we can search each patent document from different 14 angles. So these are the different questions. You can search into the title or abstract, applicant's detail, publication detail, all these things, right? So just put your keywords or the relevant number into the relevant field and click on search. So you will be directed to the search results page. Before that, this is the select the collection you want to search. As I have told you before, the patent gives the territorial rights, and each country has their each country have their own patent databases. So it might be possible that you have to select you have to search for each country's patent office website. So eSpaceNet has a beautiful facility that over from here you can search for worldwide collection of published patent applications from more than 90 countries. Patent databases are compiled on one website. So you can search for 90 countries patents from eSpaceNet's website. So you can select it from here. You can also search. Options are that if you want to search the patents only from European Patents Office, then select the EP Office database, or else you can select the WIPO search database. So for our purpose, to get the more number of relevant patents, select the worldwide collection of published application from 90 plus countries. Select that option, give your keywords into these search fields, and at the end of page click on the search button. So you will be next directed to the result page, which will be according to your keywords. So on the initial page, this will gives you the number of results related to your keywords, right? This part will this is the title of each patent. This part is consisting of publication info. As we have selected worldwide collection, so it might be possible that you will get the patents from more than one country: US, China, Germany, Europe, England, etc. So from this part you can come to know this particular patent is from which country, from the first 2 digit of the publication info, that is CN for China, US for Europe, JP for Japan. So from first 2 digit you can come to know that each particular patent is from which country, right? The next this field will explain you the priority date. For the priority date, it might be possible that the invention is first generated into US and it will be application for its protection in another country is possible. So what is its priority date is seen over here. Okay. Next, this is the application from China, this is from Japan, this is from US, as you can see from the first 2 digits. Okay. So if you want to study any patent, just click on its title over here. You will be next directed to its particular patents page. This part will comprises of bibliographic data, claims, drawings, description, and original document links. So by clicking on title, first of all you will be directed over here. From this box you can search for bibliographic data and etc. This is the date of patent, on which date that particular patent is granted, that is date of patent. From this part you can get information about the inventors, applicants, and etc. If you will click on this plus or minus sign, you will in case of more than one or more applicant and inventor detail, if you will click on plus or minus sign, the additional information of other inventors will be seen. This is the application number. Application number for this patent document is here, and the application date is mentioned in year, month, and date format over here. From here you can get the also published as the same the patent for the same invention is filed in which country, which another country, you can get information from here. Okay, and the last part is the abstract format. That after reading abstract, if you feel that whether this particular patent is related to your interest, then go on to the other documents, and otherwise just search for another patent. And if you it might be possible that if you will get the abstract in any other language, so in such cases the select the language from this function, patent translate function. You can translate non-English language into the English by selecting your preferred language and click on patent translate. The non-English language will be converted into the English, and just read that, and by from abstract you can make a decision that the whether particular patent is related to you or not. Next, just from this click on the description button, so you will be directed to search page. Now just look at here, this patent document is in a non-English language, so how to read it? So use this patent translate function, just select the language English and click on patent translate. So you the non-English language will be translated into the English language. So after clicking that, you will be directed to this page. As seen from here, the original non-English language will be translated into English, and when you move your cursor on any of the paragraph, the original parent language will be shown in the text format over here, and the original language is in English. From this part you can select or copy the content and paste them in our database to generate the PSAR. At the initial on the first half, there is also option for print and PDF. You can also save this English translated document in the PDF format also from here. Okay, now move to the next part. Okay, so we have seen how to convert the non-English language patents into the English. Now how to get the patent document, we will see over here. Now back on to the search results, just click on the patent, the title number. You will be directed to the page like this. From this part, just click on the original button, original document. So you will be directed to page like this. From here, from this drop down menu, you can move directly towards the any page of the each document, that is page 1, claims page, drawings page, description page, any page. And from this part, download button, you can download each patent document in the PDF format. So if you want at any time, if you want explanation for any query, just move your cursor to near this message icon. The explanation behind this will be directed over here. After clicking on download, the patent document in PDF form will be downloaded. Now After downloading, this is the PDF form of a European patent document, how it will looks like. On the initial under barcode there is a number which represents the patent's number. This is the date of publication on which the patent is being published, and this is the bulletin number, the volume of journal. This is the application number of that patent, the date of filing on which the particular application for patent is filed, priority, its priority date, who is the applicant and inventor's details, and here is the title of the invention and the abstract, relevant abstract of the patent. Okay, move on to the next part is comprises of the this is the background of the invention, as we have explained in the Indian patent document. From background of the invention you will come to know about what are the existing technologies available and what are the problems associated with it. This summary part will comprises of the benefits which will be come after which the objectives of this patent are covered under this summary of the inventions part. This is the brief description of the drawings. This part will comprises of the what how many figures are there in the patent documents, and what which figure number represents for what, right? And this is the description of the preferred embodiment, that is the technical details about each patent are seen in the following documents, just like this. Okay. And at the last of the patent document there is the claims. From here just notice down how many number of claims are there. In this case they are 10, so just mention 10 as the number of claims. So till now we have seen, and these are the figures associated with each patent. This is a patent related to the ballpoint pen. So the point figure, the ballpoint pens figure, all these are here. Okay. So till now we have seen the Indian Patent Office website structure, Indian Patent Document structure, European Patent Office website structure, and European patent. Now we will see about the WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, its patent database, is online patent database structure, and its patent document structure. So just this is the hyperlink for WIPO's patent search database. Now after clicking on this database you will be directed to the page like this. WIPO's patent database is known as patent scope. Patent scope is comprises of 30 million patent documents, that is around more than 3 crore, more than 30 million documents are there on WIPO's database. So the WIPO's database gives you the searching facility by simple search function, advanced search function, and the field combinations for search facility are there. The last cross-lingual expansion, this is not relevant to us, so we are not going to explain and study about this. By clicking on simple search you will be you will see you can select any field from this section, give your details and search. This is a simple kind of search. This is the next type is the advanced search. Just give your search string over here, keywords and boolean operators. From languages select in which language you want the patent search. You can also select the full all languages also, which comprises of the patent documents from all the documents. WIPO's database is comprising of 12 patent documents from 12 different languages. Okay. From this part you can select the patent documents from which country you want the patent documents. whether you want the patent documents from all the countries or from any specified country. Just select that and click on the search. So you will get the relevant results. And this one is the field combination search. As we have seen from for Indian patent database, we can search each patent document from 14 different angles. In case of WIPO's patent database, we can search each patent document from 14 different types of different fields. That is, we can search each patent by 49 different corners. That is, what is patent number, what is their in title, who is the inventor, when is the patent filed, what is its number, priority date. Almost around 49 different fields are there. Just select the field, mention your keywords or relevant data over here, and automatically select the language and country over here. The relevant data, how many relevant patents are there in this data, will be seen over here. So design your search string or put your keywords in such a way that you will get a minimum number of patents, relevant results over here. After you will get the minimum results, click on search button. So you will be directed to the page like this. This part will comprises of the number of relevant results. How many patents are related with your keywords are here. This column represents the country, in which country the patent is filed. The 2 letters code, that is US, CN, JP is there. So from here you can come to know from which country the document belongs to. This part will represent the publication number of each application. This part is representing the title of the patent. This is the publication date on which the particular patent is being published. This part comprises of the application number. This is the who is the applicant and the inventor's details. And below all these things, the abstract of that particular patent is mentioned over here. After reading the abstract, if you want all documents related to this patent, just click on this publication number. You will be directed to that patent's document. Okay. So after clicking on publication number, you will be directed to a page like this. All these fields, all these tabs comprises of different information.